Hello guys and welcome back to this video. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you a few ways you can actually start earning free crypto on the Bitget exchange. Okay, so you don't need a trading skill to do this. All you need is this instruction that I'm giving you in this video, right? You don't need to know technical analysis, fundamentals, or thereabout to do this. You can be earning 20, 30, depending on how much BGB that you're holding. The last time I published on Telegram, for those of you who have been following me on Telegram, okay, about the PoolX program on Bitget, some of you actually made money from it. I personally made up to $30 from the token. Immediately I got the allocation, I sold it, and it was $30. And as I speak with you currently, there is one ongoing, which is what I want to share with you in this video. So one of the ways you can actually make some free money holding the Bitget exchange token. Remember, I've been talking about Bitget exchange token for the past 3 years. Okay, those of you who bought it at 0.08, today this token is trading at $4 plus. So you should be up by a certain number of X. Congratulations to you. I believe this token will still do great. Okay. Now there are some incentives that comes to you if you are holding the token on the Bitget exchange. Okay. One of those is that you can participate in Launchpad programs. Okay, you can participate in the Bitget Launchpad program, and this will allow you to actually purchase some tokens before they get listed, before they are made public. Okay, you can actually purchase this token from the Bitget Launchpad program, right? Before any token goes out publicly, there are some that goes through the Launchpad program, looking for fundings and how to raise capital and all of that. So Bitget actually carefully select some of these projects to make sure that they do well. If you have followed me like 2-3 years ago, we did one that actually did very well. You saw some of us turn $20 into $300, $400, $500, $1,000 and all of that, right? So that's one of the benefits you stand to gain when you participate when you're holding the Bitget exchange token. Okay, you get to participate in Launchpad program and you can get allocation from this token, and when they get listed, you sell them for profit. Okay, that's one way. And then the second way is Launchpool. All right, you can actually participate in the Bitget Launchpool program by locking your BGB token, and when you lock your BGB token, you actually grab a share or whatever token allocation that Bitget is actually giving out, right? So Launchpool program is one of those ways you can participate by locking your BGB token, and you get to qualify to get some of these tokens for free. Okay, and then the next option is PoolX. PoolX is the one that I said that we have one token currently ongoing right now, the IMT token. Okay, all you just need to do is to go there to lock your BGB in order to uncover new tokens and secure continuous airdrops. So at this PoolX, okay, always have a token being launched there every now and then. Okay, there's a token being launched there every now and then. Currently it is the IMT token that is ongoing, and I'll show you how to actually go lock your BGB token to get that. I've already locked mine, and I think I'm earning some profit already, some tokens there already. And once this token get listed, or once the program ends, okay, this one will end in 11 days from now. So once it ends, you sell the token for profit, right? And one of the benefits that you stand to gain as well as a BGB holder is the VIP membership. All right. Some of you don't know already. Each exchange has some benefits, okay, or some perks that they actually reserve for only their VIP members. If you have large capital, 100K, 200, $1 million, and all of that in these exchanges, the exchanges treat you as a VIP member. And if you hold BGB, okay, you can level up your VIP to enjoy exclusive perks from the Bitget exchange. So these are the 4 different benefits. There are more, but I decided to highlight these 4 difference. Okay, these 4 different benefits that you stand to gain as a BGB holder. Aside the fact that those tokens will increase in value, okay, the price will increase, and whatever money you've put into those tokens will equally increase, and you make money from it. You stand a chance to get new tokens, okay, before they get listed through the Bitget Launchpad program. You stand a chance to get free allocation when you participate in the Launchpool program, the PoolX program, and you can actually enjoy exclusive benefit as a VIP member on the Bitget exchange. To stand a chance to benefit all of this, you need an account with Bitget. If you don't have an account with Bitget exchange already, the link to sign up for an account will be in the video description. I equally leave my referral code there so that if you download the Bitget app from your Play Store, your App Store, you can just use the referral code to sign up, and you stand a chance to get a whole lot of welcome bonuses, up to 30,000 in welcome bonus. So take advantage of that right now. So right now, let me open up my Bitget app and show you how to access the poolers and be able to participate in the IMT token that is ongoing on the PoolX. So once you open up your app, all right, here at the top, you see these different menus right here. Okay, so you see these different menus. You can see reward, affiliate, and copy. Yours could be different. So if you slide this to the left, right, it opens up more menu for you. If you slide it to the left, it opens more menu for you. All you just need to do is to look for PoolX. You can see PoolX is right here. I'll go ahead and click on it. Now, once I click on it, it opens up. So currently, the token that is ongoing on the PoolX is the IMT token. So this will end in 11 days. And all you need to do is to lock, either you lock BGB, which is the first pool here, or you lock the IMT token itself. This way you'll be able to get these tokens for free and you can trade them once this ends. Okay, this ends in 11 days and you'll be able to get free allocations and you sell them. Okay, so all you just need to do, let's say you want to lock IMT. Okay, you go ahead and then lock this. All right, some option doesn't give you the, some of this doesn't give you the option to lock the token itself, but this one gives you the option, right? That is, if you are not having the BGB token already, you can lock you can go buy the IMT and then come and add it up here, and then you just click on the lock option, right? Once you click on the lock option, you go ahead and click on max, right? So right now it's only 9.5, which is the one I just earned. I don't have, and then the minimum is 125. So in order to log this particular token, you go ahead and click on the buy option. Okay, we can use the trade crypto option, and that will open up the spot. This is what this token is currently trading at right now. Okay, this is what this token is currently trading at right now. So you can come in here and buy it. If I want to sell the 9 that I've received already, it's not up to $1 yet. So at the end of 11 days, whatever I receive from this, that is what I'm going to sell. So, but if you want to buy the token, okay, the token actually went up to 0.07 and now it's back down. So let's see what will happen when this ends in 11 days. All right. So that's, some of the tokens do very well and you can make money from them. Okay. You can acquire this, accumulate these tokens, get the allocations and sell them for money. That's one way. Or you can lock the IMT token or you can lock the BGB token. BGB token is the one that I'm actually locked, that I've locked right now, that is earning me this 9 plus. Okay, I just did it before I went live. So hopefully by 11, before this ends in 11 days, I should have accumulated this token that will be either $10, $20, $30, depending on whatever the price of this particular token goes up to. Okay, these are all for free at no extra cost to you. So take advantage of it. This is one way we'll make money. I've made video before showing you how to do this with Binance, and those who are doing it, who have locked their BNB, actually earning some tokens every day on the Binance exchange. And one of those tokens that people are currently earning there is the GUN, which is getting listed few minutes from the time of making this video. So take advantage of this and don't miss that. That is it for this video. If you have gained value from the video, guys, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video.